channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I upload videos 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Friday and Sunday. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little family. And don't forget to click on the notification that's next to it so you're notified every time I upload. So today's video is the October, I get confused, October Look Fantastic unboxing. I have filmed this before, so yeah, if you want to see what's inside my Look Fantastic box, then please keep watching. To show you guys. Next was this one. So this is the By Terry lip gloss in the shade Diamond Rose. I'm so sorry if I did pronounce that wrong, but I've heard of By Terry products before, but I've never actually got any products. So it's just a clear lip gloss, which I'm so happy about because I love a good clear lip gloss. I've never even used By Terry products before, so I'm so excited to receive one of these so I can give the product a go. I love a good lip gloss anyway, so lip gloss and using a new brand is a very, very good idea, and I love it so much and I cannot wait to use that. Then the last thing that I got in this month's box was this hair wrap. Yes, I've already used it, so please apologise. I do apologise for the hair dye that's on it. But this is the Glove hair wrap. I will show you. Glove, it says Glove on there. This is the Glove hair wrap. If you've never used any of these before, I've never used them. This is the first time I used it. You put it on your head. This little button goes at the front. Put it on your head. Obviously, you wrap this bit at the back. Then you've got the little link at the front, so you just link it, so it's a little hair wrap. But I've never used anything like this before. I've always used like proper bath towels to wrap my hair up, or I've just shoved it up in a scrunchie. But yeah, it was very, very exciting to use one of these for the very first time, and like I said, please excuse the hair dye on it. I've got some red hair dye still coming out my hair, so I do apologise for that. But that has been everything in this month's box. So quickly, just to let you guys know that Look Fantastic, I will leave all their websites and everything you need to know down below. They do the beauty boxes as well, so I'll leave that link down below for you guys. Sorry if you can hear that very terrible noise in the background. Some very noisy neighbours. Also, their advent calendar is still on for sale, I think, so I'll leave that in the link down below for you guys. I have ordered the advent calendar as well, so I will be unboxing one of them. But this is going to be the end of this video. So if you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.